Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 7X, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot on this device. To get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you should see a bunch of toggles. So let's see if we have our hotspot enabled by default, but it looks like we don't. So what you want to do is tap on this pencil right here. There it is, hotspot, as you can see. Oops. So once you see it, you want to grab it by holding it. You can see it will lift up a little bit, and then you can drag it over and drop it. Now when we go back, this toggle is accessible right over here. So once you see it from here, you can hold it. Try it again. There we go. When you hold it, it takes you to the settings where you can quickly customize it. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you will basically need to navigate here because otherwise you have no idea knowing what the password is. So you want to select configure Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can either tap on this eye to view the default password that is randomly generated, or you can tap on it and remove it, which is what I would recommend, and set your own. There we go. Now your password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. We have a couple additional options like network name. By default it is the name of the device, as you can see, Honor 7X. So you can keep it as it is or change it. You don't really need to remember it that much because it will be visible, so you'll be basically always looking for the name of the device. And we also have encryption type. I do keep it as it is for simplicity's sake. And that looks like we... oh no, there is some advanced options. Let's see what we have here. So we have maximum users connected, broadcast channel. I'm gonna cancel this and select IP band, only one, so not much options here. So yeah, I'll just keep everything else as it is. Select save. And now you can enable your hotspot by either toggling on from the settings right here, or by tapping on the toggle that we have added right here. As you can see, it is enabled right now, so if I tap on it again, I will also disable it. Now, as a last little thing, when you're using the hotspot, number one, it uses your Wi-Fi, as you can see, to broadcast the signal, so your mobile data will be used for this, and additionally, you are not able to use hotspot when this is active, or not hotspot by Wi-Fi, when hotspot is active. So be aware of it so you don't run out of your mobile data too fast. And additionally, when you're done using it, I do recommend you to turn it off because it does consume more battery than you'd usually waste. And additionally, like I mentioned, you can't use Wi-Fi with it enabled, so there's really no point for it to run in the background when you're not using it. So this would conclude this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.